Alright, question 9 for Practice Provincial B. Asks us to simplify the following. 2x cubed all to the cubed times 3x to the 4. Alright, let me rewrite it quickly over here. This is an application of the exponent laws that we studied earlier this year. So, I think it's fairly straightforward. Now, as I mentioned in class, my preferred method is to go from the outside exponent going in, just to make it, in my opinion, in my experience, easier. So, I can take this 3, using the power of power rules for exponents. This 3 gets multiplied to the exponent of everything inside the brackets. So 2, which has, I'm going to write it in, even though it doesn't have it, it has an exponent of 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. This x, the 3 times 3, will be 9, and this will be all multiplied by 3x to the 4. Okay? So, as a reminder again, what I did there was I used the power of a power rule, which allows us to take the exponent outside the brackets and just apply it to the exponents of whatever's inside the brackets. And if one of those numbers happens to already have an exponent, like for example here with the x to the 3, we just multiply those two numbers. Okay. Now going back to our question, we can simplify 2 to the 3. This is just 2 times 2 times 2. We can multiply that by the 3, and then we'll get x to the 9 times x to the 4. Now when we have exponents being multiplied together, or sorry, if we have two numbers with exponents being multiplied together, we can just add their exponents using the addition rule for exponents. So this will just be x to the 13. These ones get multiplied together. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. Okay. Quick explanation again. At this point, we're using the addition of exponents. So if I have two numbers with exponents being multiplied together, all I need to do is add their exponents together. So that's how we get this 13. 13 is just 9 plus 4. And 24 comes around just by multiplying these out. So the answer for number 9 is B. And let's check. 9, answer is